Today's lesson is 110, and it's practice with unlike mixed numbers. So this lesson is pretty much a review. At this point, you should know and understand how to do everything on these pages. So we're going to do a couple problems together, and then I'm going to send you on your way. So let's go ahead and just look at the first one. It says complete. The equations in each group have something in common. Complete each equation. So we're going to, go ahead and zoom in. And let's just look at group 1. So we're going to solve first and then decide what is special about each equation. So for this one, since I have low numbers, I'm going to go ahead and do my quick trick. So remember, we can multiply our denominators. 10 times 3, which is 30. So that will be my denominator. And then 9 times 3 is 27. And 10 times 2 is 20. And we're subtracting. So 27 minus 20 is 7. And then we are in 30ths. 7 is a prime number. So we obviously we cannot simplify. Then we have 4 3/5 plus 2 3/4. So we want to look at our fractions first. We have 3/5 plus 3/4. And they don't match, so we can go ahead and multiply them. 5 times 4 is 20. 3 times 4 is 12. And 5 plus 3 is 15. And we have 12 plus 15, which gives us 27 20ths. And that's an improper fraction. So we want to go ahead and find out and divide. And we want to make it into a mixed number. 20 can go into 27 one time. And we want to subtract 20. And we would have 7 left over. So 1 and 7 20ths. And we want to add that to our whole. So we have 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus our 1 from over here is 7. And we have 7 20ths. And then our last one, we have 2 9ths plus 1 7th. So again, let's go ahead and multiply our bottom, which is 63. We're going to multiply across. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 9 is 9. So 14 plus 9 is 23 over 63. And 23, again, is a prime number. So we cannot simplify that. So then let's look at the problems in group 1. What do the problems in group 1 have in common? Focus on the denominator. So the specific denominators in this group are 30, 20, and 63. So the two denominators have no common factor except 1. So the denominators can be multiplied together to produce a new denominator for both fraction. So we could actually put that 1 is the only common factor of the denominators. So we can go ahead and write that. So 1 is the only common factor of the denominators of all three. I'm going to put D for denominators. Alright, so I want you guys to go ahead and do group 2 and group 3 and answer the questions. And then you also have a good practice page on 24 that you're going to work on, that you need to kind of remember all the rules that we've been doing with all of our adding mixed numbers and fractions. So if you have any questions, go ahead and raise your hand.